Hey guys, welcome back with an outstanding video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss that when you try to purchase any app or subscription in your iPhone or iPad, you may face a problem that payment not completed. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply guys, there are 3 to 4 ways to fix this problem. First of all, guys, you may just open the settings of your iPhone or iPad, and guys, you will make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this, guys, here is the option of VPN. If there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect that. Then you may click here on general, and you may click here on software update and update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS version. Then guys, you may go back and you may click here on date and time, and you may click on set automatically, turn this on. After this guys, you may go back again and you may click here on your Apple account, and guys, here is the option of payment and shipping. So you may click here and you may try to update your payment method, and you may check your problem will be fixed. If you are unable to update your payment method from here also, then guys, you may go back again and you may click here on media and purchases, and you may click here on view account, and you may try to change your country or region to that country where you live. If you live in USA, you may select United States, or if you live in another country, you may select that one. So let's say guys, I am selecting my country from here. So you may check here is the option of country region, so you may select your country from here. Then guys, you may go back and you may try to add your payment method, and you may check your problem will be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed by all these methods, then you may click here on your any browser, and in search bar you may write here sport.apple.com. So you may click here and you may select your gadget from here. If you're using iPhone, you may select iPhone. Then guys, you may scroll it down, and here is the option of get sport in the last. So you may click here on get sport, and you may click here on start now, or you may also download sport app, and you may also contact to Apple support team directly via sport app. So here is the option of subscription and purchases. So you may click here, and here is the option of unable to purchase, so you may click here and you may click here on continue, and here is the option of call or chat. So you may select anyone from here. In some countries chat option is not available, so you may click here on call us, and this number will be shown. These numbers are different according to your country or region, so you may contact to Apple support team and tell them your problem, and they will fix it as soon as possible. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.